In this video, I just want to show you that not all BMW 3 Series have foldable seats in the back. I made a video showing you how to fold the seats in a 3 Series, and some people replied that they were not able to do so. And I just want to show you that you see over here, this is the base model. It's a 2004 model. Don't have any foldable seats. I think there was a carpeting over this area, but it has been removed. But basically you need at least the winter package to have the foldable rear seats. If you have the base model and you don't find any latches in the trunk to lower your rear seats, don't panic. It simply means that you're not able to. You cannot unbolt anything to make it work. Unfortunately, this is how the car came. You see, the latches usually are over here. So if they are not there, well, you cannot fold your back seats. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.